We live in a hectic world. Life moves quickly. Our thoughts are always active, and we're constantly engaged in some activity. So I want you to pause for a moment and consider, when was the last time you took a short break and did absolutely nothing? Just 10 minutes without any interruptions. And by nothing, I mean no sending emails or texting, no social media or TV, no talking or eating or reading, not even sitting and thinking about the past or making plans for the future. Just simply being in a state of stillness. You likely need to think back quite a bit, and you're probably wondering right now if it's even possible to do so. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of mindfulness, the advantages of meditation, and practical steps to meditate effectively. So stay tuned and learn about this life-changing experience with us. And for more ideas on mental health and personal development, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section. Alright, so we're all familiar with the advantages of mindfulness, aren't we? It could potentially decrease stress levels, fostering tranquility and improving focus. Clear thinking, emotional control, concentration, self-awareness, and better problem-solving skills are some benefits of meditation. Additionally, it facilitates better communication, reduces excessive worry, positively impacts blood pressure, immune function, and overall well-being, and even improves sleep. With these appealing advantages in mind, why do many of us still not participate in mindfulness? We're talking about our mind. Our thoughts are like our most important and unique tool, which we use to feel and experience every single moment of our life. We depend on it to feel happy, emotionally stable, and to act kindly and considerately in our friendships and relationships. It's the same mind we use to concentrate, develop new ideas, be natural, and do our best in everything we do. And still, we don't take the time to look after it. Actually, we spend more time caring for our friends' needs, work, or even looking after our cars than we care about our mind. As a result, we end up feeling stressed. It feels like our thoughts are spinning like a washing machine, going in circles with many challenging, unclear feelings, and we're unsure about how to handle it all. The sad reality is that we're so distracted that we're not fully present in our world. We overlook what truly matters to us. And what's strange is that everyone thinks that's just how life goes, so we should accept it. But it doesn't have to be like that. Did you know that research suggests our minds wander, lost in thought, about 46.9% of the time? What it means is that we hardly spend any time in the present moment. We often focus on what's coming next or has already happened, rather than being in the present moment. This continuous wandering of the mind is the main reason for feeling unhappy. Our time here is limited, spending nearly half of our life absorbed in thoughts and feeling unhappy. It seems pretty sad, especially considering there's a solution, a positive and practical technique that's scientifically shown to improve our mental state. It helps make our mind healthier and less scattered. Many people think meditation means stopping thoughts completely, erasing emotions, or controlling the mind forcefully. However, it's quite different from that. It's more about taking a step back, observing thoughts and feelings with clarity, and noticing them come and go without judgment, all while keeping a calm and attentive mind. What's wonderful is that it only requires around 10 minutes each day, yet it affects our entire life. However, we must learn how to do it correctly. We need a practice, a structured approach to become more mindful. That's essentially what meditation is. So let's look at some basic steps how you can achieve this. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a peaceful spot where you won't be disturbed. It could be a cozy corner in your room or a quiet park or forest. Step 2. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. You can use a cushion or a chair to sit on. Make sure your body is at ease. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep, slow breaths. Feel the air going in and out. Focus your attention on your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of air at your nostrils. Step 4. Observe your thoughts. As you breathe, thoughts may come to your mind. That's okay. Don't try to stop them. Instead, observe them like clouds passing by. Bring your attention back to your breath whenever you notice your mind is wandering. Step 5. Embrace your senses. Pay attention to the sensations around you, the sounds, the feeling of your body, any smells. Notice them without getting caught up in them. Step 6. Be patient. Your mind might wander a lot in the beginning. Don't get frustrated. It's normal. Each time you realize you're lost in thought, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Begin with just a few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes daily. Gradually, you can increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Consistency is key. Try to meditate at the same time each day. It could be in the morning to start your day or in the evening to unwind. Remember, meditation is about self-discovery and relaxation. Be patient and kind to yourself as you learn. As a beginner, you might find using guided meditation apps or videos helpful. They can provide step-by-step instructions and keep you on track. Meditation is a skill that develops over time. Don't worry about perfection. The more you practice, the more you'll experience the benefits of a calm and focused mind. Every moment you dedicate to meditation is an investment in yourself. So take a breath, let go of any expectations, and embark on this beautiful path of mindfulness. Your mind and soul will thank you for it. Don't miss out on our mind-blowing video unraveling the science of happiness. It's a game changer. Click the link in the description to check it out now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.